The following video contains adult language and may not be suitable for all audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
All you no want do a smoke weed and listen dirty cartel. You me hate the bleacher so much all me fucking heart swell about him a teacher. Him shoulda teach himself. No one next man a fuck shorty while him lock up in a raw cell.
Greetings, Surplus here. Now if you know me, you know that I love music. And sometimes I take a break from the comedy videos to look at other topics that have caught my eye and that I think that you should know about. Yeah, that's why over here named Kingdom of Random. Well, in today's video I purposely clickbait somehow because I know that Jamaicans will love the controversy and the negativity and generally we love mix up. But clickbait aside, I want you to overlook the abrasive language in this video and tell me when you're finished, honestly, if this is a cartel diss or another Bugu young dancehall artist who all them good fires for trace and cuss and kill off them one another. Or is this one of the most genius, eye-opening, refreshing, culturally relevant songs of recent times? Reminiscent of a young warlord himself, you know, the poor people governor. So much that you can't even believe says a young artist. Well, I know my chat enough still. Well, I that me get paid for. But I'm going to give you a chance to listen and you can tell me what you think in the comment section. I will be checking, of course. And you can like and subscribe if you're new and you just forward over here because you're the mix up and you end up like it over here. You can share it with a friend too if you like it that much or you want to see if you're a friend, what your friend think. Get your friend's opinion and make them write it in the comment section. So, you know, for me, chat, I'm not going to say 40 or 100 or 2 million words. So, I make you watch the video. Peace.
Tell her the truth, medieval like no ghetto people. Every day is a fucking war, yo down there so evil. If them not set your house on fire when them catch a vehicle, them pull it up a bullet hole, them not forget a reason. Because of uno, all tourism a get a beat no. When you keep up on the fuckery, it a pressure we too. No tourists no want fly in figure Puerto Rico, no. Them feel safer in a Puerto Rico. And we a build the country, get still on the talk. Say the government not help uno, tell me what you want. Good road, who not even have car, who know a walk. That's why me no like in the come. Me want police kill on the ras. Illiterate, don't spots, a goodly you no bring corona. Rifle a swing pan shoulder, bleach out and a bring bad odor. Some big bad odor cost like, only no see kids and out ya. And healthy people are just rum no a drink and soda. Little scumbags, sit down a build gang pan lane. Then go home street fi pick purse and grab man chain. From mama eyes tears a spring she in a constant pain. Sometime me have to wonder if you no got their brain. Last youth me give a work, him say him could do better. But him woulda rather they a road a list of Bugu Yaga. All you no forget dash way in a cave. Disturb people night sleep talk about to know a rave. All you no want do a smoke weed and listen dirty cartel. You me hate the bleacher so much all me fucking heart swell about him a teacher. Him shoulda teach himself. No one next man a fuck shorty while him lock up in a raw cell. Deadly weapons, fatal shooting, abduction, trafficking all rape y'all doing. As man talk on the face starts growing. A closer to the grave y'all moving. Be a careless gal a breed for workless man is like it now go stop. So you know say you're more pitney without father that. Not even say go get some crops and go try farm a plat no. Government fi turn on the kitchen in a corner shop right. Next thing you know so nasty. Litter bugs. Dump garbage all about and they even try to pick that up. Dump them all in at the drain and when that shit clog up. Uno call we fi clean it right. Uno stink no fuck.
Yo Devin, what y'all do? You want us to get cancelled out here?
What on there? Are the politician that I talk to the youth from the garrison? Okay.
So
I want the garrison respond now.
Okay.
Reply?
Go on.
First of all, you is just a microcosm of the government. See them where them operate. Boneheads. All of them say we illiterate. Look in the mirror and then come again. Your man go fuck yourself. That's why your wife and kill your bun again. University me left high school with me pass them for. Now me got me PhD and have to work a call center. Where the jobs them on the promise. Oh, you can't remember. Me no build house and fit on carpenter. My little brother got 2 degrees and that's why him so cold. And I walk around with a matic fi rub on the pussy wall. We no pick purse, we prefer rub China, that's how we roll. I want wall piece of the land where you no sell and no. In a this place, yeah, we displace raper, display them to them maker. Them type of people then no safe, yeah, but we no safe neither and down the care, sir. And not just now, from long time, here, yeah. Me know about Coral Garden and Bustamante. And me know about Hugh Shearer and Walter Rodney. Yes, me know about Siaga and Michael Manley. Better you take a seat, cause me know you can understand. Me remember back in the 70s and all the 80s, yes. Long before me born, that time my sister them my babies, who create this. One bag of dance and then place them in places where no one control. Wait, tell me the reason why the valley make and all the slum them. Then tell me how the fuck we get the guns them. Was it CIA, Soviet or Mr. Castro? Me no know. But you know, such chat no, you can't talk. Oh, your mouth full of the $1 million cake. In your $20 million car with money where you take, and make $50 million contract for your crony wait. I wonder why you lose a fucking visa to the States. No debate. A reggae music make the country great. You know me feel like uno silent but for real. Me see the tape. VYBZ KARTEL are we hero when them sing we can relate so what to do. Dash away the key and lock the gate. Anyway, if you want give me the job, set the date. Make me forward for the interview, promise, me not go late. Enough ghetto people, they got the cycle, them off a break. All me guns, them get tired too long, me I hold the faith.
All me guns, them get tired too long, me I hold the faith.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace.